Welcome to Phi Phi Island, guys. This place is really touristy. What's Phi Phi Island all about?
Welcome back to Thailand.
After being in remote Indonesia for 5 months and now back in Thailand, we decided to head over to the tourist hotspot of the Phi Phi Islands to see where all the fuss is about.
Hey, little dude!
Leaving late in the afternoon, we motor sailed Nandji the 20 nautical miles across from Phuket into a gentle headwind. We knew this place was going to be crazy busy, but the next morning as we woke from a longboat full of people roaring past Nandji, we begun to ponder our decision.
I don't think we're going to last very long here. We're all excited to come to Phi Phi Islands, but I think it's very much a bad move. This is neck level. It's actual crazy, but we got some pretty rowdy weather for the next couple of days, so we kind of have to stay in here. It's a good little anchorage through the night when there's no boats roaring past.
Alright, so we're finally going to go to land. We've been anchored here all day, but the weather's just been so miserable and raining, and the sun's finally starting to come out. The skies are clearing, so let's go and have a look. This place is really touristy, if you haven't guessed already, but we just want to know what it's all about. What's Phi Phi Island all about? Welcome to Phi Phi Island, guys. Is it Phi Phi or Phi Phi?
I have no idea.
Why don't we just call it, well, Phi Phi. I'm going to call it Phi Phi Island.
Welcome to the tourist
Welcome to Phi Phi Island. This is like one of the #1 tourist destinations in the world. I can tell already that there's people here from all around the world. So wherever you're watching from, there's someone holidaying here from where you're from.
We come to get a feed and we ended up at the pirate bar.
If you came here and you forgot something, you'd be fine. There are shops everywhere. You can buy anything here. What's that? What is that fish?
So we're going to be honest, we actually came to the Phi Phi Islands because we thought it was backpacker area and we thought we might meet some young people.
How many people have we met?
Oh, 0. And we're actually looking for backpackers as well because we thought maybe we'll get some crew on, have a bit of fun with some people. Yeah, right. I think we actually have to go out past 9 o'clock to meet old people.
Yeah, they don't come out until like 10 o'clock anyway, I'm pretty sure, young people.
And so we're not really out and about. We're in bed by 9.
We're just waiting for a longboat to come and pick us up. We're not sure if he understood what we meant by come and pick us up from our sailboat, but we'll just wait and see. I think he had no idea what we were saying. Careful, careful. For the full Phi Phi Island experience, we decided to hire our own longboat for an excursion around the islands. With Nandji safe at anchor and the whole crew in the hands of our new captain, we stripped off our clothes and set out on a Thailand tourist adventure around the islands. A little bit choppy out here is this place?
Pirate Cave.
A pirate cave.
A Batman Cave.
A Batman cave.
Bat Cave. I think I'm making this up.
Look at the colour of the water.
So this is the lagoon, and I don't reckon we've got it by ourselves. I think there's just a couple of other boats in here by the look of it. It is stunning, I'm not going to lie. The landscape is amazing. It's quite loud and heaps of orange life jackets. But hey, I guess that's just part of it these days. We stopped at the bay here, where all these other boats are. This is where you go snorkeling. So let's go snorkel where millions of people snorkel to see what they look at. I'm intrigued, to say the least. Many fish, yeah?
A bit too many.
Many fish, many human legs. Look at that is next level. I'm gonna go snorkeling with all them people. I'm gonna go human watching. I'm not even gonna look at the reef, I'm just gonna look at humans. Keep an eye on us, mate. Love it how there's all these humans around and these beautiful big cliffs and everyone's just staring at the whippet. Incoming rock.
We're stuck again. Oh, that looks fun. How's the serenity?
So much serenity. Give it, son.
Guys,
Up it, son.
we got a bit bogged here.
Up
Which
it.
sucks. Our driver's always doing the right thing and he's like telling other people off for going too fast and stuff, and yeah, we got
Any
bogged.
beaches.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Longboat rock barrel. My man. Old mate was punching it.
This is so beautiful. I'm not even mad that there's lots of boats around. It's just little cave tunnel. See that? I just can't get over how beautiful this place is. It's like no other place. It's so beautiful. You got the emerald water and these big cliffs. We're just sneaking into this little cove here. This is so beautiful. You think there's monkeys in here?
Hello. Can't hear anything.
Yeah, they normally would make noise because Marley, man. Monkeys and Marley don't mix. I can't get over how they operate these boats. I mean, it must be so hard to drive. But they've got all these people around. Get out of the way. Oh my god, get out of the way.
This is relentless.
Nandji being a full keel boat, I totally understand the pressure of trying to manoeuvre a vessel around objects. However, the romantic idea of cruising around in a longboat was soon replaced by a feeling of constantly on edge. What better way to test out these longboats' characteristics than take it out into the building wind and choppy sea as we try to complete a lap of the island. This is the entrance to the famous Maya Bay that I thought was closed to tourism, but it's obviously not. Because we're going in there. So this is the famous Maya Bay. The government shut this down to tourism recently because it's just been so hammered. All the bottom's all smashed up and they've been replanting coral. So they've kind of got like a rope stop bit here that says you can't go any further.
Is this the bay?
Which is good. Yeah, this is the bay. This is the beach bay.
Oh right, this is the beach.
This is the beach. Yeah. We came here on one of our first holidays together to Thailand just for like a random 10-day trip. And we jumped on a ferry and come here, and this place was absolutely crazy town. The amount of boats that were in here, like big ferries with a couple of hundred people on them. So it's good that the government have done what they've done to try to let the nature grow back. But I don't know, now I guess the boats just come up so far and that's it.
I think there's like a volunteer group that are planting it. No?
Yeah, that's what I saw.
Yeah.
Look at all those heads. Look at all those heads.
We've done it, guys. We left the boat and we're back on the island.
And we're gonna go out-ish.
Try to.
It's like 8 o'clock now. We'll see how long we last. We'll probably be like, I need to go home to bed. We're gonna have a go tonight to try to have a drink and dance and meet people.
Yeah, that's the idea. We'd like to make some friends.
See how it goes.
It's been about 2.5 hours and we are done. We are more than done.
I don't know about this partying thing. It was kind of fun and we like interacted and we did our thing.
But it's more about the quality, not the quantity. So we partied hard.
We partied like those 2 hours. Oh, Nandji.
We partied hard.
Hello legends, thanks for watching another episode of Nandji. Welcome to 2020. We haven't given you a little update for a while, so we thought we'd give you a bit more of a real time of exactly what's going down.
Yeah, so we're preparing Nandji to cross the Indian Ocean and we're about to depart very soon. We just did about 11 days in the boatyard, got Nandji nice and ready. We still have a few in-water jobs to do and a few things to collect. But yeah, everything is full steam ahead and we're so excited for, this is going to be the biggest year of Sailing Nandji so far and we're just so stoked and we can't wait.
A massive thank you to everyone who has supported our channel throughout 2019, and thanks to everyone for continuing on through into 2020 to help support this journey that we're about to embark on.
Yeah.
It's going to be massive, and,
Yeah.
and thanks to these legends that have jumped on board over the December, January period, over the holiday periods, to receive your contributions through this period. It means a lot, so thanks very much, legends.
Yeah, we apologise for the noise going on as well. We're in Thailand. It's just like even
Longboat Central, hey.
8:30 at night, it's still crazy busy. A huge shout out to our newest patrons. We have Paul and Tree, Lucas, Stuart, David, Roy, Blanco, Craig, The Naked Sailor, Jet,
Vilrev #1, Robert, SY French Kissing Life, Zach, Nee, Justin, William, Craig, Dale, Jamie and Graham. Good on your legends. Thanks for jumping on board the Nandji family and helping support this channel and helping support this journey through 2020. It's going to be a stomper.
yeah.
Also a big shout to this list on the other page I've kind of forgot to mention. Laurent, Sean Ash, the Feely family, Juniper Jones, Matthew, Vishnu, Mariano, AB, Terence, Mike, Claudio, Leonard, Ren, Michael, BB and Grover. Thanks very much, legends. It's good to hear a couple of other names that we've heard before, so welcome back to the Nandji family. I really appreciate the support, getting back involved and helping support this channel. Like, it means everything to us, so thanks guys.
Yeah. And a huge shout out to Dave, who's helped us with the life raft. So if you've been following us for a while, you would know that we were meant to cross the Indian around last August, and we were organising a life raft to be able to do that, and we had 4 months to organise it in, and we just weren't able to get it on time, so we changed our plans, and it has still taken a very long time to get, but it's in Singapore and we're picking it up very soon. So thank you so much, Dave, who's been assisting us with that one. Thank you so much.
Massive appreciation for all the hassle of putting it up with us.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, legends, that's enough, eh?
I hope you're having a great 2020 so far.
Let's bring it on.
Yeah, let's bring it on.
See you guys.
See ya.
You.